In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CostMiner Takeoff tool for quantity calculations. If you're looking to streamline your construction estimating process, then this tool is perfect for you. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we'll need to navigate our way to CostMiner's website, which acts as your main hub for handling construction estimates and takeoffs. So open up your browser and head over to CostMiner's login page. Once there, you'll see a Login to CostMiner button right on the screen. Go ahead and click that. If you haven't yet set up your account, you'll want to take a moment to do so before proceeding. Now that you've logged in successfully, it's time to choose the project you're working on. In CostMiner, you should see a list of your projects. Click on the one you're interested in estimating. It will take you to a details page for that specific project. From here, you're going to see an Import Plan option. Clicking this allows you to link your drawings to the software. You can import files and formats such as DWG, PDF, and more. This step is crucial for setting the foundation of your takeoff process. Once your plan is imported, you'll find an Add button that allows you to specify elements of your project. Click this to begin defining and adding items to be estimated. You'll see how organized and structured your upcoming tasks become. Next, it's important to set the drawing scale correctly. You'll notice a ruler icon that allows you to adjust this setting. Setting the right scale ensures your measurements are accurate, which is a critical element in quantity calculations. Simply use this tool to define a sample measurement. Now's the moment to put that scale to use. Click on a sample measurement point to select it. Then you'll click on the other end of the line you wish to measure. This step establishes the span you're working with and ensures you're starting from the exact measurements you need. After that, manually type in the physical measurement for the line you've drawn, which should reflect the scale of your actual construction project. Once you've entered this measurement, click on Apply. This applies your scale settings and locks in the measurements for further calculations. For material takeoffs, you'll now want to click on Trace Area. Make sure your item list's type is set to Materials. This ensures that all materials are being calculated properly throughout the process. Finally, you'll click on the corners of the room or area you're measuring. This action allows CostMiner to capture the perimeter and calculate the area. Select each corner carefully, clicking on them as you go until you're back to the start. You'll find that measurement now appears in your item estimates section. And there you have it, you've just completed a takeoff using CostMiner. Take some time to experiment with the other features it offers for a comprehensive estimating process. Thanks for watching and happy estimating.